Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to change the layout of photos in an already posted Facebook post. First, open the Facebook app and go to your profile by tapping on the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the post you'd like to adjust. Once located, tap the three dots next to it and select Edit Post. Now you'll see various layout options. You can switch between styles like classic, columns, banners, or frames. For example, if you want to go with columns for a fresh look, select that option. Make sure to tap Save at the top right when you're happy with your choice. You can also edit the caption here if needed. After refreshing the page, you'll see your updated layout, and that's it. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. See you in the next video.